Salvete omnes. Let's continue with Book 1 of Virgil's Aeneid. Sed pater omnipotens speluncis abdidit atris hoc metuens molemque et montes in super altos imposuit regemque dedit qui foedere certo et premeret laxas sciret dare iussus abenas ad quantum iuno supplex is vocibus usa est. But the all-powerful Father, fearing this, hid away the winds implied in dark caves, and he placed a mass and lofty mountains and high mountains above them, and he gave them a king who, having been ordered with a certain pact, would know both to press upon them and to give them loose reins. Towards which man then Juno, as a supplicant, used these words. So now up here, pater omnipotens refers to Jupiter. The all-powerful Father gave Aeolus, the king, to the winds, and he threw the winds into these cave prisons so that they wouldn't cause havoc over the world. Let's see. Over here, this clause refers to regem Aeolus. Foedere certo, ablative, who, having been ordered with a certain pact, would know, sciret. This is an imperfect subjunctive right here. Right here we have a subjunctive clause. Can you think of what it is? It is a relative clause of characteristic. There are some words to get out. Relative clause of characteristic or relative clause of purpose. So it gave them a king with the purpose that the king would give them loose reins and know how to handle the winds. So it's characteristic because it's characterizing Aeolus and it uses subjunctive, but there's also a sense of purpose there, like he gave them a king with the purpose that the king would know how to do all these things. So that's how you characterize that clause. And now we finish off the passage with, then Juno comes to him as a supplicant, asking for, we're about to see what she's going to be asking for. But since he's the master of the winds and she wants to wreck Aeneas, who's out on the sea, I think we can assume that she is about to go to Aeolus, so that he'll release the winds to cause a disaster for Aeneas. And we will see that next time.